People want to be valued. Money is important. Don't get it twisted. I'm not saying it's not. But what is just as important is respect. And even having a workspace that is simple, easy to take care of. You get it done. You've set it up properly for them to flourish in that. That is important. And then just respecting them as a human being, allowing them to voice, any concerns of what's going on. Our cleaners are people. Our office people are people. Our virtual assistants are still people. That all comes back to your company culture. How do you want these people to represent you when you're not around? What is the feeling and the idea that you want your employees to have about your company? Because whatever it is, that is what they're going to spread to your clients. So if they feel like they have a sucky job, they're going to go into your clients' homes with that all on them. If they feel like they're in a great place for growth and development and they're happy and everything is taken care of, they're whistling Dixie coming into your clients' homes, and that just makes for a better, all around better company and service for you.